subscribers, everyone is very good evening. We will see for this video Nifty or Bank Nifty both. Okay, we will analysis for Nifty, Bank Nifty this chart for today trading section and tomorrow trading section or upcoming days. Okay, this is for English videos. You will get it for just a video analysis before go to analysis. Go and analyze the go to YouTube channel. Okay, go and take it the yesterday video. Today we will be posted for 3 videos: Nifty, Bank Nifty, Nifty Bank Nifty analysis also. Okay, I will hope you will getting for entry and take it the profit today. Okay, you will verify, go and just visit and check it the channel. I will hope you will like these videos, and if you have any doubt will be there means ask to comment box or text in the email. Okay, here last will be there is right. Contact email ID businesskdm25@gmail.com. Write it for this email ID. Okay, you will analyze for the today and tomorrow trading session Nifty, Bank Nifty both. You will go and take it for the 3 month chart in Nifty. Okay, first you will analysis in the Nifty chart. Okay, go and take it for the Nifty. This is high, this is the low. Okay, market will be trading for this level only right now, 24,500 to 26,400. You will go and change the weekly chart. So market will be trading around the sideways market already. Market will be whenever reaching for these levels. These levels means market go to high, market small correction, again downtrend, again market will be increase the higher high. So market go to here, come to here this level, market again buy trend. So market will be downtrend. What we will do right now? After you will go to buy for this zone. Whenever market come to this zone, you go to buy the market. After this zone will be exit the target for this market, these levels. Okay, you will take it pen and paper. So just you will take it the pen and paper. Okay, note it for levels. So market levels, first of all market 26,339 for high. Okay, what is low? 24,000. What is the low? 24,560. Okay, after you will go and take it the entry means you will don't forget and take it the level. Okay, Nifty right now is the what is this? Nifty level, sideways market and retest level. Okay, after you will go and just not market will be not breakout for the this level 0.386, 24,573, 25 fib level 25,000, 24,573. Okay, this is the low, 24,573. I will remove for this. So next what we will do? What is next target? Expecting Otherwise right now market will be what is our low. Next again will be go to analysis in the market. Okay, only go to take it downtrend. Market will be coming downtrend only 25,100. 25,100 below market will be downtrend. Otherwise market will be increase the buy trend. Okay, this is for Nifty view for upcoming days. So key points. You will note it for these key points. Okay, key points Nifty 50. Okay, so market Nifty 50 high high 26,339, low 24,560. Only sell below sell below only sell below for 25,100. Okay, you will note it for these levels. Okay, so after we will go to take it the entries. Okay, we have high there, low, stop loss. This is for the Nifty views. Okay, you will don't forget. You will just revise, go to back and just revise the market. You will note it for the all key points also. Okay, so what is key points will be there. 20 high will be there, low, stop loss. Market will be trading around these levels only. Okay, today market I hope we will getting good level, trading levels for today. So after we will just go and take it. This low to this high. Okay, towards that you will note it and these levels only you will go on take it the entries. Okay, whenever coming to market these levels, go to sell entry. Okay, after market go to higher hand means you go to buy entry. This is the levels. Don't forget like and subscribe. You will see for the next video. Okay, you have any doubt will be there, man, ask to comment box. Today I will hope take it for a good entry means we will go to 50 minutes chart. Okay, we will update the community also. Go to visit channel and visit the community. Okay, Nifty 50 expiry day analysis intraday calls. Okay, market B 25,400 below on the downtime. So you will take it for these levels. This is for intraday levels. Okay, you will analyze the 30 minutes time frame. Market will be trading this low. Bank Nifty, this is Bank Nifty chart. This is high. Okay, market be downtrend. You will take it the entry means you will getting good profit for market today. Okay, this is Bank Nifty. This is Nifty chart. Okay, already we will see for Nifty what will see it means this is the low, this is the high. Okay, market after breakout, market due to buy time, otherwise high low retestment, market will be giving target here. Okay, I will hope you like this video. Don't forget you will like this video means you will don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see for the next video. Okay, I will update for Bank Nifty video tomorrow. We will see. You will take it for this chart. Okay, Bank Nifty only for sideways market. This is the Bank Nifty. Okay, market only right now here. Market coming to again downtrend expecting. This is just Bank Nifty. You will note it for this high and low. 61,243. You will continue for this chart. Okay, high 60,000. 60,863. Okay, 60,863. This is high, this is low. Okay, market trading right now this levels. After breakout these levels, you will see for the next chat, next video. Okay, you will follow for this what is coming trading section means enough. I think it changes the brush. Okay, not need to separate video for Bank Nifty. Okay, you will trading for this zone. Just you will go to lower time frame. You will get clear view. Okay, after breakout these levels, you will go to take it new video. Okay, I will hope you will understand this video. Nifty Bank Nifty. You have go and watch it the our YouTube channels. You have liked this like to our videos. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. You will get it the notification for upcoming videos. You have any doubt will be there means ask to comment box or text to email. Okay, Thank you watching this video. I will hopeful this video will helping. Okay, I will hope to this video will be helping. Okay, thank you. We will see for next video.